Puppet and we're going to play Minecraft! Yay! So nga pala guys, papunta tayo dito, dito tayo sa Minecraft survival natin. Tingnan nyo guys, double jump yan, pero hindi pa rin ako lang kakalipad. May heart din ako. Yan. And may chest dito, ewan ko kung ano to, pero... Oh, diamond! Iron. Ay, pick. Ayan. Oh wait, pagkain. Oh, meron naman pala akong pagkain. So, yep. And, yeah, guys. Weird. And, that's it, guys. Just kidding. So, guys, gusto kong kumain guys, ng cookie. Kaso, wala kaming cookie dito sa bahay, eh. Yep, wala kaming totoong cookie, guys. Totoong cookie, hindi cookie sa Minecraft. May cookie ako sa Minecraft, okay? Pero totoong cookie ang main ko. So, guys, nandito kayo sa aking bahay. It's a little bit of empty. At alam niyo guys, yung part 1 na tinor ko kayo dito sa bahay ko. Is the best part ever. Oh, yep, napuno na yung call ko. So, sa last episode, nakuha ko itong mga call na to, lahat ng call na to. Kaso nga lang, last episode, kasi putol eh. Naputol siya. Pinutol ko talaga mismo. Para, and dagdag dito natin stock yan. And dagdag stock. So, yep, guys. Yeah. So, kung nakikita nyo dito, guys, dumami yung iron natin. Katulad nga dun sa last episode, nag-mine ako ng iron, which is, ayan, in-smelt ko. So, ngayon is, na siya. Tapos, imbes mabawasan yung coal ko, nadagdagan pa, madami na. Grabe. And, yep, guys, ganito. Di muna natin na-harvest lahat ng plants. And, yep, ano kaya ang gagawin natin? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do something cool. Wow. Okay, what we gonna do? Ano yung skin ko? The heck? Naka-t-shirt pa rin ako. Dapat kapag nag-aano nga pala mainit. So, tama lang naka-t-shirt ako. Okay, mag-t-shirt tayo kasi mainit. And I see your monsters. I see your pain. Tell me your problems. I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse. I'll make it okay. If I see your monsters, I stand there so brave and chase them all away. In the dark, we stand apart. We, and hindi ko na alam yung lyrics at big. Okay, so may squid dito. Ang weird. Ba't hindi siya gumagalaw? Squidward, hindi close ang water, pero ba't ka pumupunta dun sa sand? The heck are you doing? Uy, sino nga ito? Yung isda dun sa SpongeBob. Tapos ito yung yung mga bahay nila. Asan na yung pineapple? Bahay ni SpongeBob. Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Something wish. SpongeBob SquarePants. Never under the important sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Stability. SpongeBob SquarePants. Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Ha 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 ha. Oh guys, may wall forest dun, no? Pero wag na lang. Pero SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Kanta lang tayo ng kanta, wala naman na tayo palang ginagawa. So, hahanap tayo guys ng mga resource dito sa mga village. she's kind of crazy because pas dito sa village. Nakakapagtaka tong bahay na to ah. Walang laman. Interesting house. I'm gonna take it because it's their own house. I have my own, so I'm gonna take it. And then it looks a bit weird because there's no bed near. So that's a weird thing. But if you see a Pennywise walking fish, looks like a clown. You just pretending to be asleep, so you don't care about you. And you realize it's Pennywise. Right, guys? You feel about that? Because if I feel about that, it's a scary, so freaky stuff. Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot my freaking resources. Okay. And stand apart. We, we, we stand apart. We stand apart. We stand apart. Okay, so it's time to float, guys. Time to float. Hi, Mr. Creeper. Time to float. You wanna float? You'll float too. Okay. Yeah, I'll float too. Losers. Time to float. Just kidding. So, yep, guys. Pupunta tayo sa tubig. Tubig. Ba't may lead? Okay, guys. It's kinda bit horrible because why there's a lead spawning in my face. It's hero bleed. Joke ba? Hero lead. Maybe the name of the lead placer is, oh, maybe that's his name, lead placer. That kind of makes not sense. Nonsense, bruh.